All right, guys. So I just wanted to make a little quick video here for you for your activity. So when you go into your activity, you'll see this or something similar to it. You're actually going to be working on these different figures down here and answering these questions. But I just wanted to kind of model for you how to use this tool and actually walk you through this very first one. So the first thing we'll do, we have a little kind of measure stick right here. And what you can do is move around. If you click it on the little plus signs, you can move it around. Both sides move, and you can see how the numbers get bigger and smaller. And then also you have your angle measure right here. And make sure you're clicking on the dark green dot here because that's actually going to move the angle tool around. Whereas the kind of open ones, the clear ones here, see how it just changes the measure of the angle. So the first thing we'll do here is we want to measure the sides of this triangle. So we'll grab our measure stick and then we will just measure this far left side here. So it's 9.7, right? So it's 9.7 here. And then we can measure our bottom length down here. And we can see that it's 5.83. All right. Now it's asking us to use a scale factor of 1/2. So we need to think about if if our bottom length here is 5.83, how can we incorporate that scale factor of 1/2? So what we want to do is I'm going to move my measure tool over here and I'm going to do half of 5.83, right? That's almost 6. So it'd be just a little bit less than 2. So that would be my bottom side length of my new shape, right? So then we can also use our line segment tool right here, okay? And we can just make our line segment. So we can start here, click there, pull it over here, and boom, there is my line segment. And so what I'm doing is I'm remaking this shape, right? I'm drawing a scale copy. And we said that the length here was, oh, sorry, move back here. Make sure you're selecting that move tool when you want to move something. So can move this back over here like this. And so I can see that length was about 9.7. So it's almost 10. So then I know that it's a little less than 5, right? So half of 10 is 5. So it'd be a little bit less. So come to 5, come down. That's probably about right. And then I can come back up here, grab my line segment tool, and then I'll click here. And I just want to use that same measure. So I'm going to go up about that height, try to make it as straight as possible. And there it is. Okay. And then obviously we can just connect these dots. So I can click here, boom, and there's our new triangle. Okay. And then also what I'm going to need you to do, make sure to grab your move tool here, grab your angle, and we can measure the angle of our original polygon or triangle right here. And so I can kind of see what that is. So the big thing here is you want to make sure once I check this angle, go ahead and move it over to your new triangle and see if it matches up. Okay, see if it matches up. And then we'll be able to do that with all the angles. So I can come down here. I can move it using the dark green dot. Pull it over here. And then I can see what that measure is. And then I can bring it back over to my other one. And it fits pretty well right there. Okay. So that's how you use these tools and kind of what you're going to be doing in this activity. And again, you're going to be doing that for the one I just did and also for all the ones after that. And make sure to answer your questions for each one. You'll have 3 questions. All right. Thanks.